DS diving service here at Bulls Bay Marina. We're at, I believe, slip 61. This boat was cleaned Monday. I did have light issues and his camera failed. So I'm here to just inspect it, get a video, and if it needs it, touch it up. Let's take a look. Looks like this boat may need a lot of touch-up. Let's keep looking. I'm going to go ahead and just touch up this boat the rest of the way. And you will be good to go. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. And this is why we always have lights in campers, because you can tell whoever cleaned this boat did touch everything. But without a light, it's very hard to get everything. I'm going to get it all down. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.